Good morning, students. Welcome to our school online classes. Yesterday class we completed main question number 1. Given representation are in the form of quadratic equation or not. Quadratic equation format means standard form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It means always the coefficient of x square should be not equal to 0. If it is equal to 0 means it is not a quadratic equation. If it is considered as quadratic, if c is equal to 0, it is also considered as quadratic. But always a is not equal to 0 means the coefficient of x square should be not equal to 0. It is quadratic. If it is 0 means it becomes linear. For this reason, always a is not equal to 0. Main question number 1 is over. Now second one. Represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equation. Now the question in the form of statement. We have to represent this situation in the form of quadratic equation. To represent the given situation in quadratic equation means entire situation we should be representation in one variable. We should represent in one variable because the standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay. For this reason, we have to consider the entire situation in one variable. Okay. Here the question is like this. First one. The area of a rectangular plot is, the area is given, the area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. Okay, area of the rectangular plot is how much? 528 meters square. Because rectangular plot means it is in the shape of rectangle. What is the area of rectangle formula? Length into breadth. Okay, the length of the plot in meter, length of the plot is one more than the twice its breadth. One more than the twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. Okay, it means here there is no need to find the length and breadth value. We have to represent the situation in quadratic equation form. Okay, here length is considered with breadth. Length is considered with what? Breadth. Length is comparison with breadth. But here breadth value is not given. Here breadth value is not given. Breadth value is not given. It means we have to consider length. The breadth of the plot is how much? X meter. Length of the plot is how much? X meter. Now it is a rectangular plot. Its area is 528 meters square. Okay, 528 means now it is considered as length, it is considered breadth, it is L meter, it is B. Length into breadth. 528 meters square. We have to represent the situation in the form of quadratic equation solution. What is the length is considered with length is comparison with breadth. Length is comparing with what? Breadth. But what is the value of breadth here? We don't know the exact value of breadth. For this reason, we have to consider let breadth is equal to how much? X meter. Let breadth is equal to how much? X meter. Let breadth is equal to how much? X meter. Okay. Now, what is the value of length? Breadth is x. Okay, correct. Length. What is the value of length? Length of the plot is 1 meter more. 1 meter more means 1 plus 1 meter more than twice of its breadth. 1 meter more than twice of its breadth. It means therefore length is equal to 1 meter more. 1 meter more means 1 plus twice means how much? 2. Twice it's what? Its breadth. Breadth value is x. Breadth value is x. Therefore, breadth value is x meter. Length value is 1 plus 2x because the area of the rectangular plot is how much? 528 meters square. Yes, 528 meter square. But here, length of the plot is 1 meter more than the twice of its breadth. It means length is compared with what? Breadth. Here what is the value of breadth? Breadth is not given. Breadth value is not given means we have to consider let breadth of the rectangular plot is how much? X meter. Let the breadth of the rectangular plot is how much? X meter. Okay, breadth is x meter. What is the length? Length of the plot is 1 meter more. 1 meter more means 1 plus twice. Twice means double. Twice, yes, double of what? Double of its breadth. Twice of its breadth. Its breadth means it is x. Therefore, 1 plus 2s. Okay. Therefore, what is the area? Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is how much it is given? 528. Area of rectangle is how much? Rectangular plot is how much? 528 meters square. What is the area of rectangle? What is the area of rectangle formula? Length into breadth is equal to 528. What is the value of length? Length is 1 plus 2x. Breadth is x. 528. Then plus into plus 1 into x plus into 1 into x plus next plus into plus 2x into x 2x square plus 528 becomes minus 528 is equal to 0. But in the standard form x square term should be first, position of x square should be first. Therefore 2x square, then what is the x? Plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of quadratic equation. X square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. X square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then what is the value of a? A value is 2, b value is 1, c value is minus 528. Okay, minus 528. Therefore, the entire situation is converted in the form of quadratic equation. Then again, we have to solve this quadratic equation by factorization or by formula method. Okay, we will discuss about the solution in the next exercise. First, we should represent the situation in quadratic equation form only. Okay. The rectangular plot, its area is how much? Rectangular plot means it is in the form of rectangle. What is the area? Area is 528 meters square. What is the area of rectangle formula? Length into breadth is equal to how much? 528 meters square. Then length of the plot is 1 meter more than the twice of its breadth. It means length is comparison with what? Breadth. What is the value of breadth here? We don't know the value of breadth. For this reason, we have to consider breadth of the rectangular plot is how much? X meter. Okay. Then length is 1 meter more. 1 meter more means 1 plus twice its breadth. Twice means double of its breadth. 2 into twice means double its breadth is x. Therefore 1 plus 2x. Then we have to represent the area of the rectangular plot is equal to 528. Area of the rectangle means what is the formula of rectangle? Length into breadth is equal to 528. Length is 1 plus 2x. Breadth is x is equal to 528. Then after simplification, 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. The entire situation in the form of quadratic equation because a value is 2, b value is 1, c value is minus 528. Minus 528. Entire situation is converted in the form of quadratic equation. Okay. Now second one. The product of two consecutive positive integers. The product of two, it is important problem. The product of two consecutive means continue after one. The product of two consecutive positive integer is 306. We need find integers. It means here product of positive integer. The product of two consecutive means continue. The product of that consecutive integer how much? 306. We have to find the integers means first we should represent. Okay. Consecutive numbers. Positive integers means always number we should consider as the both number are positive. Positive integers. Consecutive means continue. Consecutive means let 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this consecutive numbers. Okay. If it is 1, consecutive numbers means 1, 2, 1 as it is, then 2 is 1 more than the previous number, 1 more than its previous number, 3 is 1 more than its previous number, 4 is 1 more than its previous number, 5 nothing but is 1 more than its previous number, 6 is also 1 more than its previous number. It is two consecutive numbers. It means it is 1, second number is 1 plus 1. If you are considering 2, 3 consecutive numbers. You are considering 2, 3 means 2 as it is. Then second term is 2 plus 1. If you are considering 4, 5 means first one is 4, second one is 4 plus 5. It means previous two consecutive numbers means first one, this next number is it's one more than the previous number. Two consecutive numbers means it is next number. It is 1 meter more than the previous number. Sorry, 1 plus more than the previous number. It means if you are considering first term is x, means the next term is in the form of x plus 1. Now next form in the form of two consecutive consecutive or odd or even under x plus 2 form. Consecutive means always consecutive numbers in the form of x and x plus 1. Odd or even number in the form of x comma x plus 2. Yaken kelboda niva 1 3 5 odd numbers. How much more? 2. How much more? 2. First one and 3. first one is considered 1, then it is 1 plus 2. If first one is x, second one is x plus 2. If I consider 3 comma 5, it is 3, second one is 3 plus 2, it is x, it is in the form of x plus 2. x plus 2. Here neanpitkoಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ important part. Consecutive numbers, 2 consecutive numbers means it is in the form of, first term is 2 consecutive numbers means first term is x, second term is x plus 1. Odd or even means first term is x means second term is x plus 2, like this. Why? It is 1, 2, 3 consecutive means continue ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. For example, it is 10, 11, 10. Okay, 10, 11 means first term is 10, second term is 10 plus 1. If your first term is considered as x means it is x plus 1. Therefore, 2 consecutive numbers means it is in the form of x and x plus 1. Therefore, select 2 consecutive numbers. First number is x. Let 2 consecutive numbers are consecutive positive integers. 2 consecutive positive integers. First number is r, first one is x, and second one next term continue ಬರಬೇಕು. ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, 1 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. x plus 1, x plus 1. 2 consecutive numbers are, first term is x, first integer is x, second is x plus 1. Okay, ಅವರು ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? The product means multiplication, it is not sum. Product of 2 consecutive integers is how much? 306. Product means product of these two means multiplication. X into x plus 1. Product is how much? 306. Product is how much? 306. The product of 2 consecutive number is 306. First term is first integer is second, the next integer is x plus 1. Then we have to simplify, plus into plus, x into x, x square, plus into plus 1 into x, 1x, plus 300 becomes minus 306 is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of quadratic equation. A value is 1, b value is 1, c value is minus 306. 2 consecutive. Consecutive means x plus 1 positive. 2 positive consecutive integer means in the form of x and x plus 1. And odd or even positive integers means x plus 2. X plus 2 in the form of x plus 2 in the form of x plus 2. Okay. Next, third one. Rohan's mother is 26-year older. Then Rohan's mother is, Rohan Thai is 26-year older than him. ಅವ್ರಿಗಿಂತ ಅವ್ರ ತಾಯಿ ಎಷ್ಟು older ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? 26-year older ಅಂದ್ರೆ 26 year ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ older than. Then Rohan's mother present age, ಅದನ್ನು present age ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. Present age, okay, ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ present age? Rohan's mother age is 26 year older than him. 26 year older than him. Older means your age ಎಷ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ 26 year ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. Because mother and son age difference ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 26 year. It means, for example, ನನ್ನ age 30 ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, ನನ್ನ age 30 ಇದೆ. Okay, 26 year older, ನನ್ನ ಏಜ್ ಗಿಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ 26 year old ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಏಜ್ 30 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ ಏಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ? 26 year old means we should add 30 plus 26, it becomes 56, like this. The Rohan's present age x ಇದೆ. The Rohan present age is x. Rohan mother age is, because Rohan present age is x, why we have to find the Rohan present age means we have to consider the Rohan present age is x. The Rohan present age is x. Rohan mother age is 26 year older than nothing but ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, more than is the age. Okay, therefore Rohan age is x. 26 year old is considered as x plus 26. older ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. senior ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇವರಿಗಿಂತ 26 years senior ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, we should add age. Okay, x plus ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ is x plus 26. Okay, Rohan present age is x. Rohan mother present age is x plus 20. Okay, 3 years from now, it means 3 years from now, ಇವಾಗಿಂದ 3 ವರ್ಷ ನಂತರ ಇವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ವರ್ಷ ನಂತರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಆಡ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್, 3 ಇಯರ್ಸ್. ಇವಾಗ ನನ್ನ ಏಜ್ ಇದೆ 10 ಇದೆ, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 3 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ನನ್ನ ಏಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ 33 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಆಡ್ ದ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಏಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೋಹನ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, x ಇದೆ. ಫ್ರಮ್ ನೌ 3 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ, ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ ರೋಹನ್ಸ್ ಏಜ್ 3 years from now, 3 years from now ಅಂದ್ರೆ after 3 years, after 3 years, 3 now. Okay, ರೋಹನ್ ಏಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ, ರೋಹನ್ ಏಜ್ from 3 years now ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ವರ್ಷದ ನಂತರ, after 3 years, after 3 years means ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಏಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, x ಇದೆ. after 3 years ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ, x plus 3 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ, x plus 3. ರೋಹನ್ಸ್ ಮದರ್ ಏಜ್ और इस प्रेजेंट एज एष्टिದೆ, x plus 26 ಇದೆ. after 3 means we should add how much, 3. therefore is equal to how much, x plus 26 plus 3 is how much, 29. it means the present age of Rohan is how much, x. the present age of Rohan mother is x plus 26. why 26 year older anta ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, x plus 26. after 3 years means from 3 years from now the Rohan age is x plus 3. 3 years just x plus 3. then his mother age is x plus 26 plus 3 nothing but x plus 29. okay, then product output, the present age they are not given present product of a present age, they are not given product of a present age. the product belongs to after 3 years. the product belongs to after 3 years is how much, 360. the product, when the product is given not for present age, the product is given for after 3 years, the product, therefore the product, okay, therefore product is equal to, therefore product is equal to product from now 3 years. 360 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಯೂರೇಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, x plus 3, then this is x plus 29 is equal to how much, 360 is equal to how much, 360 is equal to how much, 360. okay, multiplication, plus into plus plus x into x, x square, plus into plus 29 into x, 29x, plus into plus 3 into x, 3x, plus into plus 3 into 29, 87, plus 360 becomes minus 360 is equal to 0. x square plus 29x plus 3x is 32x. 360, 87 minus 360 is minus 273. minus 270 is equal to 0. now it is in the form of quadratic equation. now it is in the form of quadratic equation. now it is in the form of, because a value is 1, b value is 32, c value is minus 273. c value is minus 273. c value is minus 273. minus 273, because we have to find the Rohan present age, means it is considered the present age of Rohan is x. his mother 26 year old means ಇವ್ರಿಗಿಂತ 26 years ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, means x plus 26. then from now to 3 years, after 3 years the Rohan age is how much, x plus 3. ಇವಾಗ x ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 years ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, x plus 3. and his mother age is present age is x plus 20. after 3 years means x plus 26 plus 3 means x plus 29. the product of the age between Rohan and Rohan mothers from after 3 years, not for present product total, after 3 years product is given, then it is in the form of x plus 3 into x plus 29 is equal to 360. after simplification, x square plus 32x minus 273 is equal to 0. there now it is in the form of quadratic equation. a value is 1, b value is 32, c value is minus 273. okay, next fourth one, last one. a train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. okay, uniform speed, distance covered by train is how much, 480 km at a uniform speed. if the speed had been 8 km less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover, the same distance. 3 hours more to cover same distance. we need to find the speed of a train. Speed of a train means we have to find the speed of train, means we have to consider speed of a train is x kilometer per hour. we have to find the speed of a train, means we have to consider speed of a train is x kilometer per hour. speed of a train is how much, x kilometer per hour. okay, speed of a train Solution. Speed of a train is how much? Speed of train is how much? X kilometer per hour. X kilometer per hour. Okay. The distance covered by train is how much? Distance. Distance is how much? Distance covered by train is how much? 480 kilometer. Because it is kilometer means we consider kilometer per hour. 480 kilometer. Okay. Then what is the speed formula? Then what is the speed formula? Speed is equal to distance by time taken. Speed is equal to distance by time taken. Speed is equal to distance by time taken. Speed of a train is x kilometer per hour. Okay. Speed is equal to distance by time taken. Then time goes to numerator, speed goes to denominator. Therefore, time. First situation t1 it is considered as t1. First position t1 is equal to distance by speed. Therefore, t1 is equal to distance covered is how much? 480. Speed is equal to how much? X. It is the first situation. It is first situation. Okay, t1 it is considered as first situation. Okay, the next situation. Now speed becomes 8 kilometer per hour less for the first situation. Okay, speed had been 8 kilometer less. Speed had been first situation only x kilometer is there. For second situation, speed becomes 8 kilometer per hour less. 8 kilometer per less hour means we should subtract, not plus. We should subtract. Therefore, speed. Okay, speed is equal to second situation. Speed is equal to how much? X minus 8 kilometer per hour. Because first situation in first speed allodre ee time ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಈ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ನ 8 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ for first situation this much time, for first situation this much time, for second situation 8 kilometer speed ನ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. Simultaneously. If speed is x kilometer, 8 kilometer less means it becomes x minus 8 kilometer per hour means definitely time will take ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೋತಾರೆ 8 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. Then again speed is same as it is, distance is same. Okay, t1. Now second situation t2 is equal to 480. Distance speed is x minus 8. Okay, speed is t1 is equal to how much? t2. t1 is 480 by x, t2 is equal to 480 by x minus 8 because speed of a train is x kilometer per hour, distance is 480. Then what is the speed formula? Distance by time taken. Therefore, t divided by d, t is equal to d by s. Numerator goes to denominator, denominator goes to numerator. t1 is equal to distance is 480. First speed is x kilometer per hour. First situation. If we speed becomes 8 kilometer less, 8 kilometer less, speed becomes 8 kilometer per hour less means we have to consider first situation x less means x minus 8 kilometer per hour. Then therefore t2 is equal to 480 divided by x minus 8. ಈ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಈ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇದು 10 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು 10 ಅವರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿದ್ರೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇದು 10 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನಂತಾರೆ 3 ಅವರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತಾರೆ 3 ಅವರ್ ಮೋರ್. 3 ಅವರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು 10 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಳ್ತದೆ 13 ತಗೊಳ್ತದೆ. ಇದು 20 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಳ್ತದೆ 23 ತಗೊಳ್ತದೆ. ಇದು 5 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಳ್ತದೆ 8. But the difference between their time is how much? 3 hours. Difference. ಇದು 10 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದು 13, ಇದು 13 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದು 16, ಇದು 20 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದು 23, ಇದು 7 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದು 10. Therefore the difference between the two time is how much? 3 hours. The difference between time is how much? 3 hours. The difference between hours is how much? 3 hours. ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. Okay, therefore t1 minus t2 is equal to difference ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ 3 hours. Difference how right the question difference is how much? 3 hours. t1 minus first speed and second speed. The difference between their speed, the difference between their time is how much? 3 hours. Therefore t1 is how much? 480 by x minus t2 is 480 divided by x minus 8 is equal to 3. 480 by x minus 480 by x minus 8 is equal to how much? 3. Is equal to how much? 3. Okay. 480 divided by x minus difference is how much? 3s. Then simplification. X into x minus 8 is equal to 3. X means you have to multiply by x minus 8. X minus 8 means you have to multiply by x. Therefore, 480 into x minus 8 minus 480 into x. 480 into x is equal to 3 divided, sorry, 480 into x minus 8 minus 480 into x divided by x into x minus 8. Okay, then rub ನೋಡಿ. Okay, plus into plus, plus 480 into x, 480x, plus into minus, minus 480 into 8. 480 into 8 is 480, then minus 3840, sorry. The position of 3 is numerator, it goes to denominator means it will divide. 3840 is equal to x square minus 8x. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 is remaining. 2 is remaining means 3 8s are. Therefore, minus 1280 is equal to x square minus 8x. Okay, minus 1280 becomes plus. Therefore, x square minus 8x plus 1280 is equal to 0. Therefore, now it is in the form of quadratic equation. Therefore, a value is 1, b value is minus 8, c value is plus 1280. Okay. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇಳಿ, ನಾಳೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, we'll discuss next exercise in next class.